Now let's talk about our send email tool. Well, actually this tool can be used at any step of the process in order to inform the requester whether his request or her request has been rejected or approved, or while informing the user about a task that has been reassigned, an overdue task, or at any other scenario. I can use it to send email to anyone in the process. So about the tool, when we double click on it, we see here the description. We can write anything. The sender, let's say eFlow. So to whom I'm gonna send it. I just double click to three quotes here, three dots, and there are three ways to identify the email addresses. The first way is to add the email addresses manually, that we don't use it so often. Or we can get the email addresses from the groups or from the users, let's say the initiator. Or we can get the email address from any step of the process. We can keep this log and use it here. And about the content of the email, we can just write a text message here. For example, here, and here I can use the data elements that I developed while designing the process. Deal requester, your request has been blah blah blah. Or if we want to customize this email by writing HTML codes, we can write this content here, and we can already use the data elements that I already developed while designing the process. So this email tool is so flexible, and while writing the subject, I can already use all the data elements too. For example, request of the requester, the initiator, that will be the subject. And I can just get the document that I used in the process, or I can take any external attachment while using this tool.